Hey everyone, it's Daphne from Scrap and Create, and I'm excited to share with you today that we are now carrying the PowderPuff chalking ink in our shop. So you've seen me use it in lots and lots of my videos. These are the PowderPuffs, and so we started carrying an array of the colors in our shop. I'm very excited about that. I sent out a notice and email to let you guys know, but I also wanted to share with you real quick the colors that we have. We've got a color that's called Amaretto, which is a lighter brown, milk chocolate, and these are getting progressively dark, Mocha Mama, mahogany, and then another option, these are in the dark gray and sort of black, is Coal Miner and Midnight Concessions. They come in an array of colors, but honestly, what I typically use, especially in the Graphic 45, are the browns. So if you like to do a lot of distressing inside the edge of the page, you're going to want a lighter color. But I typically just go around the edge and knock off the white trim so that when the paper's laying down, you don't see the white on the edges where you've trimmed the paper. And I tend to want to navigate toward the darker browns. So here I've got an older color called Java and Milk Chocolate. And the reason I almost always have two on hand is when you first open one of these up, they are very, very juicy. And so what I often do with a new one, while it's super juicy, rather than put it on my paper, is I'll tap, tap, tap it on my previous pad and transfer some of the ink and continue to use my old pad. And I'll keep doing that until I can't transfer anymore, and then I'll start to use the new pad. So that's what I do to keep it from being too juicy, but also to extend the life of the pad. These are sponge pads. So if you catch the corner of your paper, it will put a little divot in your pad. It doesn't really matter. It's still very functional. But at some point, you'll actually start to wear out the sponge in the applicator, because it's not just the pad, it's an applicator as well, which is one of the reasons I'm such a big fan of it. That and the fact that it doesn't transfer onto me or my work surface. Even when I accidentally drop it, I can quickly lift it up. It's not nearly as difficult to deal with or clean up as some of the other inks. So depending on what you do, for me, this is ideal. So I just wanted to share that with you guys because we just got them in. We just got them listed last night. So I'm excited to share that with you, and hope you guys will take a look around. Like I said, if you're a subscriber to our website, you've already gotten an email on this, but I wanted to let all our YouTube viewers know as well. I'll set a link in the YouTube video so you guys can go straight to the PowderPuffs if you're interested in taking a look. Thanks for tuning in. It's Daphne. Next up, I'm going to start working on my 8.5 by 10.5 mini album. Well, not so mini album. And this is the book that I'm going to be using. This is the foundation I'm going to be using for Lost in Paradise. So I'm going to start constructing that right now. So I'm just going to pause, clear my work surface, and get started.